Back again with another video. This is She Has to Be Chic Boutique. And guess what? All of my teachers out there, we have an exclusive discount code for you. It is Best Teacher Ever. If you use that at checkout, you get 10% off of your entire purchase. Once again, if you shop on the She Has to Be Chic Boutique website, which is listed in the video, you get an exclusive discount of 10% off of your entire purchase when you use the code Best Teacher Ever at checkout. Now let's get into the video. Welcome all of my educators out there. Welcome back to our series. And today is episode 4, Google Translate and Engage with the Classroom Learner series. So listen up and prepare to engage. Have you ever been someplace and everybody is speaking another language that of course you don't understand and you're like, can you please speak English, please? Or have you ever been in a situation where somebody's speaking to you in a whole nother language that you don't speak and you just look at them like, oh my gosh, I really don't understand what you're saying? Guess what, my educators? That's exactly how your English language learners feel when they're in your classroom, you're talking to them in English, and they just really don't understand you. But guess what? You're going to get help today from me. I'm going to help you out. I get it. You ignore that student because you really just don't know what to say and you really don't know how to communicate with them. But guess what, teachers? It is your job to make them feel included and not excluded in your classroom. They shouldn't just feel love when they're in the hallway with other students that speak their native tongue. They should feel the love in your classroom too. But don't worry, I got you. I'm here for you. I'm going to show you a simple tip with Google Classroom that will help you to communicate with your students. I got your back. Okay, in your internet search browser, type in Google Translate and then click on translate.google.com. Next, once you're there, you're going to want to select the language that you speak, which is English, and then the language on the right that you want to translate it in. And there's several you can choose from, but for the sake of this video, we're going to choose Spanish because that's the language I understand the most outside of English. And what this site does is it translates English text into whatever language you want. So if you notice, I just clicked text. Now I'm typing in whatever it is that I want to say to the student in my classroom. And if you notice on the right, it is actually translating my English text into the text that the student speaks. So let's say a student is new in your classroom, you don't know what to say to them, go straight to Google Translate. You can project it on the screen, or if you have a tablet, you can walk over to the student and show the student. And you can also write in Google Translate, write your response in my tablet. And then if you look, there's a speaker. Click on the speaker, and what it does is it plays the translation. It'll play the English version. If you click on the English side, and it'll also click the Spanish version. And that's why I really like this website. Now click on Documents. Let's talk about how to use this. So like, let's say you have an article in English class, or you have science text and you have a Word version of it, or you have a document of it. What I really like about Google Translate is you can actually upload your document and it will translate it in whatever language that student speaks. So I find this very helpful. I use this in the classroom. So what I might do is I might have the English version of the text and the text in that student's language, that way that they can compare, because you don't want them to just solely rely on reading things in their language. You do want to help them to learn English, but this is a way that they can feel included and not excluded in your classroom, because they'll know that you're an ally, you're a teacher that really cares, you're a teacher that's trying to communicate with them and not ignore them. So that's why I really like Google Translate. All right, teachers, that's the end of that. But I just want to say that it may seem as if no matter how hard you work on your lesson plan and you teach to your students, and it may seem as if it's not going write because your students aren't receptive, guess what? They're actually listening to you. Okay? So don't be so hard on yourself. And if nobody told you today, guess what I'm going to tell you? You're the best teacher ever. And with that, that's the end of the video. Thanks again for watching She Has to Be Chic Boutique's video. And like I said before at the beginning of the video, if you're interested in buying some new jewelry or accessories to make you look fly in the classroom, by all means, go to my website and use discount code BESTTEACHEREVER, and you can get 10% off of your entire purchase. Once again, this was a She Has to Be Chic production. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more teacher engagement videos. Bye-bye.